what is the approach that we take? We don't take like kind of one-off approach, as I was mentioning earlier, like not spreadsheet based. So if you are a partner, if you bring you on board, then we provide you kind of a partner dashboard where you can manage all your customers' information. And all of these customers are like, we've developed a multi-tenant capability so that like, all of your customers' information are secured, and also that is very specific to just that particular environment only, right? And also like using this platform-based approach, we provide you training, and you can auto-generate customized policies and procedures and other wonderful stuff that you might be needing for to provide this as a service to your customers. And apart from that, a lot of our partners are looking for white labeling capabilities, right? So they don't want us, they don't want to market third party companies, rather like they want to have their own branding, they want to have their own URLs for customers. Definitely we could do that. And also like you can also provide access to your end customers, portal access, and your end customers will not be able to see the entire assessment, or they will be able to see the action plans per se, and then like hand mark some of those actions item completed, and then they can actually share your reports with their members and others, right? Of course, we do provide API connectivity and things depending on the platform that you want to plug in with. Right. So what's our process? So this is, I'm just going to quickly walk you through. So for the assessment, I'll walk you through in detail using our platform. How do we go about the assessment? Essentially, the way we do it is the first step is scoping, figuring out what is really applicable for your environment, and then doing a dynamic assessment based on your scoping, and then developing action plan for the gaps that are identified during your assessment, and then developing reports and policies, right? So every design aspect that is built into the platform is just kind of very intuitive and easy to use. And then definitely this is built for small to medium sized organizations, and very, very customizable. And what we've started doing of late is we've added a lot of new features, including reminders and notifications for your end customers and also for the partners, so that like you can actually follow up at the right time with your customers in terms of when is the next assessment due, whether if it is annual or quarterly, that sort, and also like the action plans and other things you can follow up with your customers. Right. So so what I'm going to probably do now is like, yeah, we obviously have a lot of partners that we don't do this alone. We partner with Qualys to do your vulnerability scan, and then we also partner with Amazon, Sumo Logic for your log file management, and Trend Micro for your continuous monitoring and things. So here are like some of our deliverables. It definitely varies based on the compliance assessment. Definitely any kind of assessment requires your inventory first, and then it's a risk analysis report and the management plan, policies, procedures, online training, and the executive report, and then portal access. So all the services that we provide comes with audit support guarantee. So this is something that our customers really love it. In case if they get audited, whether for the HIPAA related or whether it is GDPR and stuff, we work with them to make sure that they provide the required document to the agencies and make sure that they pass the audit with flying colors.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.